Oh, hi, you guys. This is me, Marwa Khater, and I'm going to solve with you June 23 paper 2-1, the word task. Let's start by opening the support files and prepare it to work with this given question paper. The first step, they will always ask you to prepare an evidence document, maybe to create a new one or edit an existing one. So I'm going to open evidence document. نروح نفتح evidence زي الشاطرين. Evidence extension RTF. This is my evidence document. And I'm going to add my name, title, candidate number at the top. Then I'm going to save it as given in the question paper, asking you to save it with the word evidence followed by your candidate number. So I'm going to go with File, Save As, Browse. I'm going to save it in my own work area folder and follow it by my candidate number. Don't forget that you need to change the type into Word document, and it will be upgrade the file. Next step, open festival.rtf. So I'm going to open festival.rtf. This would be our Word document that we are going to work with. I'm going to put them side by side so you can see my screen. Now, in first step, use a suitable software package to open RTF, and we did already set the margins and the page size. You have to save it with a festival. So go to File, Save As, try to save it in a place with a short path, and I'm going to name it Festival. Follow it, only Festival, correct? Mesh. Okay. Don't forget that you need to change the type into Word document. Next step, make sure to save it with the correct format. We need to take an evidence from this file. Go to the support files, view details. We don't need the date modifier, so we can hide it. Make sure that this type is fully visible, and I'm going to take a screenshot. And this would be our first screenshot pasted on the evidence document, step 1. Next step, place in the header of the vestibule document your name, center number, candidate number, right align. To the right, add your name, center number, candidate number, and in the footer, in the left-hand side, insert page number in current position for the left. We are done. Next step, create the following style based on normal paragraph. I'm going to open the style organizer, then go to new. Make sure that this one is paragraph and the second base is into normal. Serif font means Time New Romans. It should be 32. It should be in the center, bold, italic, format paragraph, 0 space before, 9 space after, and this one should be single. Now, next step, take a screenshot to show that you defined the CF. Did we wrote the name correctly? I don't think so. Did we? We didn't. So let me it was called set style. So if I forgot to name it correctly, what I can do, right click modify and rename it again. All what you have to do now is to take a screenshot from your style, and this would be my second evidence. Next step. Apply CF title to the Tawara Cycling Festival. So I'm going to select this part. Change the layout from the trail subheading till the equipment is safe. So from this part, نركز بقى عشان الحاجات دي صغنونة بس ممكن تنقصنا درجات. لحد equipment is safe, and this one should be page column, more columns, 2 columns, and the distance between is 1.5. Okay, next step. Insert image rider in all trails start and finish. So I need to find where is all trail starts and finish. You will find it in the second paragraph after the first subheading. Go to insert picture and select the picture that you want to insert. You can find the file in the supporting files. Next step, this one should be reflected. So how to reflect an image? Go to the rotate, flip horizontally. So now the bike points to the left. This one should be resized to 4 centimeter, maintain aspect ratio. The text should wrap around the image. It should be aligned with the left margin and the top of the paragraph. Now try to find and apply bullets into the steps in these bullets. It didn't ask for a certain type of bullet, so I'm going to select anything. And then the indentation should be 1.5. Where I add an extra 5 accidentally. Zero space after, zero space before, and only after the last bullet we are going to add a space. So go to the line, the paragraph after the bullet, and go again to paragraph and setting and add a space before 6 points. Next step, locate the table and delete entire column launch. So I'm going to go up. This is the table. I'm going to delete the launch column. Right click, delete, and delete column. Next step, you can tell that this column is merged and we are going to merge these cells all together. Right click, merge. Change from layout the text direction to match the given one. It should be center middle. From design, the background should be dark black. Next step, apply to column 2, 3, and 4 from the table CF table. So I'm going to select these 3 columns and go to design from the style and select CF table. The table and row should be in one line, so it cannot be wrapped like that. And also, the border should be fully visible. It should be fit with column width and should have a 6 space after the table. I'm going to select the entire table here, right, and then right click, auto fit window. Then go to border and select all borders. Select the paragraph after the table, and we are going to add a space before. We are done. Now, in the next step, make star new a superscript. So I'm going to select only star new from the last row and select to be a superscript. Spell check. If there is any spelling mistakes, it could be highlighted with red. Next step, make sure there is no widow, there is no orphan. Everything as a consistent spaces, and we are done. Just to print and upload so I can check it for you. Thank you for being with me. Love you so much. خدوا هارت خدوا هارت خدوا هارت خدوا هارت. باي باي.